Ever tried using ChatGPT to write something? And it just sounds way too AI-ish? Like, you can practically hear the robot typing? Yeah, I've been there too. You paste it into your doc, read it back, and it's giving formal essay vibes, not real human energy. Let's fix that using ChatGPT itself. All right, here's the step-by-step to make your text sound like a real person wrote it without touching another tool. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to detect the problem. Instead of rewriting straight away, tell it, analyze this text and point out what makes it sound robotic. This helps you understand why it sounds weird, too formal, repetitive, or lacking flow. Step 2, give it your personality. Once you know the problem, say something like, rewrite this to sound more casual, like a 25-year-old explaining it to a friend. That one phrase changes everything. Step 3, add tone instructions. You can be super specific here. Try. Make it sound friendly, easygoing, and just slightly confident. Not like I'm trying too hard. The more you describe the vibe, the better ChatGPT gets. Step 4, mix in your slang or style. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite again and say, include words I'd actually use in real life, like low-key, pretty much, or honestly. This brings back that human rhythm. Step 5, short sentences, real pauses. Tell it to break long sentences, make it more conversational, like I'm talking, not typing. Boom, way more natural instantly. And there you go. No fancy tools, just ChatGPT helping you sound like you. If you want to see how AI easy your life, click the video right here. Keep creating, keep chilling.